I denne uge har alle skoler i Greve fejret, at det er 200 år siden, kong Frederik den 6. underskrev en lov, der bestemte, at alle børn i Danmark skulle gå 7 år i skole. Skolen har udviklet sig meget på de 200 år, og skolen er stadig en vigtig del af vores alles barndom. Uden skolen havde vi ikke det Danmark, vi har i dag. Også gymnastikken og opvarmningen har udviklet sig meget gennem årene. Vi skal i dag prøve kræfter med et opvarmningsprogram med gymnastik fra forskellige perioder. Vi starter med det meget stive Kaptajn Jespersen opvarmningsprogram. Derefter går vi over til det lidt mere aerobic-præget med Jane Fonda, og til sidst ender vi med en meget hård gang træning med en gang bootcamp. Bagefter det hele vil der være 3 minutters mindfulness, hvor vi kan få slappet helt af. Men hvis I alle er klar, så stiller jeg godt til rette. Så starter vi om 3, 2, 1. Værsgo!
Vi går over til næste øvelse. Samle hælene. Strække knæene. Rank dem og rejs dem i deres fulde højde. Sænke skuldrene og gør dem langhalsede. Kaster kroppen fra side til side. Så dybe sidekast som overhovedet muligt. Nu må vi anstrenge os for at komme så dybt ned som muligt. Drej så samtidig kroppen til venstre. Så langt om som muligt. Når vridningen er størst, skal sidekastene være dybest. Vi drejer langsomt kroppen til højre side under dybe sidekast. Når vridningen er størst, skal sidekastene være dybest. Fortsæt nu med denne kombination af sidekast og kropvridning, i det de bestræber dem for at få bevægelsen større i udstrækning og dybere i virkning for hver gentagelse. Denne kombination af sidekast og kropvridning tjener til at styrke midjemusklerne og bughulens organer. Det er i denne region, de allerfleste mennesker i en for tidlig alder forfalder. De lange, slappe bugmuskler, der viser sig ved den uskønne topmave.
Arms overhead now. Move it to the right for 1, 2, 3. Jumping jacks. Right knee up. Arms overhead. Move it to the left now. 1, 2. Get ready for heel lifts to the right. All right. Yeah. Very good. Singles. This'll get it up for you. And 2 counts. If you're doing it full out, your pulse is way up there. Singles. If you don't want it to be, you can just make smaller movements. Jump and turn. 1, 2. Step, reach, step, knees up. And turn. 1, 2. Step, reach, step, knees up. Walk it to the front now. Step, step, touch. And back. 2. Step, step. Last time front. And back. Now keep it here and march in place. Come on, swing your arms. Don't let it down now. Keep the energy. Gonna go on to the 3rd song. That's right, keep breathing. Pick up the tempo. We're gonna double touch to the right. Right! Woo! All right. Singles. Get those knees up now. Energy, come on. Again, double touch. Singles. Woo! And move it to the right. Elbows. That's right. Smooth now. Get down. Reverse. Really crouch down with your knees. Heels out. Now see what I'm doing with my hands? This is very high intensity. If it's too high, do what they're doing. Elbows again. And breathe. Get down. Bend those knees. Work those thighs. Heels out. Step, heel out. Step, heel out. And breathe and smile. Come on. Step touch. Pull it in and up and over. Get a little jump in there for more intensity. Up and over. Up. Jump. Again and in. Up and over. Elbows again. All right. Bend your knees and reverse it. Really get down. Heels out. Twirl those fists. Press down. Step heel out. Step heel out. Elbows again. Come on, really get down now. Bend those knees. And back again. Heels out again. Step, touch, step, touch.
All right. Good.
Get ready for step, kick, front. Step, 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 kick. Step, kick, step, 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 kick. Take it to the left, to the right. Left. Get a little jump for more intensity. Again, now add the knees with a jump. You don't have to jump, it's just for more intensity. Again. 1, 2, hop. 1, 2, hop. 1, 2. Take it to the front. 1, hop, step, 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 hop. All right. Woo! And breathe. Come on, get into it. Woo! Last one. Now cha-cha front. Step, step, cha-cha-cha. And back. Take it to the right. And front. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And back. Take it to the left. Hi, guys. Hi. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And back. Turn right. Woo! Front. Cha-cha-cha. And back. Take it to the left. And elbows. That's right. Reverse. Heels out. Step, heel out. Step, heel out. Remember, you can go like this if you're getting breathless. Elbows. That's right. Bend those knees and reverse. Breathe. Heels out. Remember, you should always be able to carry on a conversation. A little breathless, but not too much. Step touch. Up and over. Up and over. Step, touch, up and over. Woo! Touch, step, touch, up and over. Now elbows.
All right.
Reverse it to the left. Woo! Heels out. Step, heel out. Step, heel out. If you're at all breathless, press down instead of twirling your fists. Elbows again. And those knees.
Nice.
Reverse. That's right. Now heels out. Step, heel out. Step, heel out. Are we there? All right. Now get ready to step, kick to the front. Step, kick, steps.
2, 1. Okay, last one on this set. We're just going to jog it out. Just jog it for 30 seconds. If you want to make it harder, bring those knees up. And we're going to go right back to the beginning. Remember our first exercise? Keep going, guys. 10 seconds. Into plank. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Hold that plank. Keep that belly pulled in. If you need an easier option, you can just drop down to the floor. Make sure that your kneecaps aren't on the floor. Put it just in front of your knee. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mountain climbers. Remember, if you need to make it easier, just bring those legs in one at a time. Make sure you keep that belly pulled nice and tight, 20 seconds. We're gonna go on to scissors. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back down on that bottom. And scissor it across. Remember, put those hands onto that butt to prevent that lower back from coming off the floor. Excellent job, guys. 20 seconds. If you want to make it harder, bring it lower down. Making sure the whole time that that lower back isn't coming off the floor. That's really important. Excellent job, guys. Keep it going. We're going to go into squat and kick next. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's come up to standing. Let's just jog it out. Remember, if you want to make it more intense, give me some high knees. This is your last bit, guys. Make sure you work right to the end of the routine. 20 seconds. After this, you can have a break. Keep going. Less than 10 to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, shake those legs out. Roll them.
Nu skal vi slappe af. Værsgo at lægge jer ned på gulvet.
Ret langsomt opmærksomheden mod din krop. Mærk dine fødder fast på gulvet. Kontakten med gulvet. Observer de fysiske fornemmelser i dine fødder. Skanser dine ben. Mærk kontakten i dine ben med underfladen. Gå videre til lænden og mærk den. Og så ryggen. Ret nu opmærksomheden mod brystet og maven. Skift dit fokus til dine hænder og mærk de fysiske fornemmelser der. Mærk nu dine arme, skuldre, din nakke, hals og til sidst dit hoved. Skift langsomt din opmærksomhed til lyde omkring dig, alle slags lyde. Observer lydene uden at tænke på dem, og læg mærke til hvilken retning lydene kommer fra, og registrer ændringer i lydene. Nu forankrer du opmærksomheden i nuet ved at fokusere på bevægelsen i den nederste del af maven, sænken ved udånding og hæven ved indånding. Og du bliver ved med at holde din fulde opmærksomhed på denne bevægelse, uden at manipulere med din vejrtrækning, så du observerer din naturlige vejrtrækning. Inden du afslutter øvelsen, tager du en beslutning om at overføre denne tilstand af nærvær til resten af dagen i dag.